Hello children, welcome back to the new session. So, in previous sessions what we have discussed children? Algebraic expressions we are discussing now. Yes, in algebraic expressions, types of algebraic expressions we discussed. Okay, like terms, unlike terms, those all concepts we have discussed children. In this section, we are going to discuss addition of algebraic expressions. What is that? Addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expression. Yes. So, in this we have two methods children. First one is horizontal or row method. Horizontal or row method. Second one, vertical or column method. So, two methods we have children. First one is horizontal or row method. Second one is vertical or column method. Okay. So, in this session we are discussing first one is horizontal method. Yes, horizontal method. So, children. Yes, first one. Horizontal or row method. Horizontal or row method. Very easy children, because in previous sessions we discussed what are the like terms. Yes, when we know the like terms, easily we can add. Okay. Yes, see, suppose first I am taking numbers children, not algebraic expression. First numbers I am taking. So children, 2 add 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the question children? Add 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So horizontal method, these numbers how can we add? See, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Yes. Next, add 26, 34. Other example, 26, 34. We should add children. So how can we add horizontally? See, 26 first number horizontally, that means row method. In the same row we can write children. Okay, so plus 34, same row. See, same row we are writing here also. Okay, so 26 plus 34, 60. 26 plus 34, 60. Okay, so this is the horizontal method children. Okay, so for the numbers means we can write like this. Suppose algebraic expressions means how can we do children? See. Yes, first problem. X square minus 2xy plus 3y square, 5y square plus 3xy minus 6x square. Minus 6x square. Okay children, so here two expressions they have given. Okay, add x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. Next expression 5y square plus 3xy minus 6x square. Okay, two expressions they have given. We have to add in horizontal method children. Horizontal means in the same row we can write first. Okay, yes children, see, first x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. First expression I have written. Next, second expression. We are adding now children. So, plus, second expression now. 5y square plus 3xy minus 6x square. Okay, so two expressions in the same row we have written children. Okay, we are adding now in between plus. Okay, have you understood children? Yes. Next, what are the like terms? What are the like terms? What are the unlike terms? Already in previous classes we have discussed now children. Yes, so what are the like terms here? See, x square. Here x square we have. What are the like terms? The like terms together we have to write. Together we have to write. Suppose x square. Here also x square. That means these two are like terms. So together we can write children. X square minus 6x square. Yes. Next, minus 2xy. See, this is the xy children. Any coefficient we can write, numerical coefficient, anything children. But what are the terms, variables, that is xy. That means here also xy. That means these two are like terms. Okay. So here minus 2xy plus 3xy. Together we can write. Okay, next, what are the remaining terms children? See, y square. These two also like terms only, no? So these two like terms also together we can write. Plus 3y square. Here also plus 5y square. Plus 5y square. Okay, now x square minus 6x square. X square minus 6x square. Okay. So, in integers chapter, we have discussed children what is both positive numbers means what we have to do. Both negative numbers means what we have to do. Plus minus means what we have to do. Minus plus means what we have to do. This all we have discussed. Do you remember children? Yes. Both positive also we can add. Both negative also we have to add. How it is? See children. 2, 2. 2 are positive. Positive to positive. That means there is no symbol. That means it is a positive number. Okay. 2 plus 2. That means 4. Suppose minus 2. Both are negative. Both are negative also. We have to add 2 plus 2, 4. But negative symbol we can take. Both positive numbers also we can add positive symbol. Both negative also we can add negative symbol. Now, positive, negative. One is positive. See children, 5 before. We don't have any symbol. That means positive number. Positive 5, negative 2. Plus minus means we can subtract. Okay. So, plus 5 minus 2. As it is, 5 minus 2, 3 children. In front of the bigger number, what symbol we have, that symbol we can write. That means plus 3. Suppose like this. Minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2. Here also we have one is positive, one is negative. One is positive, one is negative. Okay. So, one is positive, one is negative means we can subtract children. Okay. Usually how can we subtract? Bigger number to smaller number. So, 7 minus 2, 5. But in front of the bigger number, what symbol we have, that symbol we can write in the answer. So, very easily you can remind children this one. So, we can use here this one. See, plus x square minus 6x square. So, one is positive, one is negative. Now, addition or subtract children? Subtraction. So, 6 minus 1, 5x square. But in front of the bigger number, what symbol we have children? Minus. That means minus 5x square. Good. Now, minus 2xy plus 3xy. Minus 2xy plus 3xy. That means here also positive, negative. Positive, negative. So, what we have to do? Subtraction only. Okay, usually bigger to small. 3 minus 2, 1xy. Okay, but what is the bigger number? 2 or 3? 3. So, in front of the bigger number, what symbol? Plus. So, plus 1xy. Okay, next. Y square. Both are positive. See, plus 3y square plus 5y square. So, both positive means what we have to do? Addition. So, 3 plus 5, 8. So, plus 8 y square. So, what do we get, children? Finally, one expression. Minus 5x square plus 1xy plus 8y square. So, this is the horizontal method, children, or row method. What we have done here, children? See, two expressions they have given. Okay, the two expressions in one row we have written. So, what are the like terms? That like terms we can write together. Then we can add, children. So, this is the first problem. Just the other problem also just we will discuss, children. Yes, second problem. 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab, comma 3ab. This is the second expression. Third expression, 6a square minus 2b square. Third expression, 4b square minus 5ab. Fourth expression. See, here four expressions they have given. So, we can add, children. What we have to do first step? All the expressions in one row we can write. We are adding no, in between plus symbols we can write. So, 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab. First expression. Next, second one. Plus 3ab plus 6a square minus 2b square. Next, plus 4b square minus 5ab. So, four expressions we have written in one row horizontally. Okay. Yes, children. Next. Next step what we have to do, children? What are the like terms? Just we can identify. Together we can write the like terms. Okay. So, here a square. So, a square is here. Next, where we have a square term, children? See, here a square. So, two a square terms we have. So, the two a square terms together we can write 4a square plus 6a square. Okay. Next, b square. Here. Next, here. Here. Three terms we have. So, plus 5b square minus 2b square plus 4b square plus 4b square. Okay. Next, AB terms. What are the AB terms? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there, AB terms also. So, plus 6AB plus 3AB minus 5AB. See, children, like terms we have written together. 4a square, 6a square. 5b square minus 2b square. 4b square. So, 3 terms we have here, like terms, sorry. Next, 6ab, 3ab minus 5ab. Here also 3 like terms we have. Now, we have to add a square, 4a square plus 6a square. Both are positive. See, children, positive, positive. That means add 10a square. Add, that is also positive. Next, 5b square minus 2b square. So, one is positive, one is negative. One is positive, one is negative means subtraction. Okay, usual subtraction, bigger to smaller. 5 minus 2, 3b square. In front of the bigger number, plus, then plus 3b square. Okay, next. Sorry, the other one, b square also there, no? Okay. 5 minus 2, 3. Then how can we do? Just listen, children. 5 minus 2 plus 4. 5 minus 2 plus 4. Now, What are the positive here? 5, 4. Yes, 5 plus 4, 9. So, extra we have minus 2. Now, one is positive, one is negative. So, 7. So, directly what we can write, children? Plus 7b square. Plus 7b square. Okay, next. 6ab, 3ab minus 5ab. Here also 3 terms. 3 terms means see. 6 plus 3 minus 5. What are the numerical coefficients? First we can write, children. Okay, 6 plus 3, 9. Both are positive, no? 9. Extra we have minus 5. One is positive, one is negative. Subtraction. 9 minus 5, 4. In front of the bigger number, positive symbol only, no? So, plus 4. Okay, so what is the answer? Plus 4ab. Plus 4ab. So, this is the answer, children. So, any expressions, how can we add, children? First, what are the expressions? Okay, in one row, that means horizontally, we can add, children. Okay, next, like terms together we can write. We can find out the answer. Okay. So, in this session, addition of algebraic expressions we have discussed, children. I hope you understand, children. Small assignment I will give you, children. Assignment. Add. First one, 5a square plus 6ab minus 3b square, 4a square minus 3ab plus 5b square. This is the first problem. Next, second problem, 3x square minus 4y. Second expression, 4y square plus 5y. 9x square minus 7y square minus 6y. So, here 3 expressions they have given, children. Different they have given. So, I hope you understand. Sorry, children. I hope you understand this class, children. Thank you.